Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food lovers and culinary explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate source for discovering vibrant cuisines and simple, tasty meals from across the globe. Whether you're looking to discover new flavors or need a quick solution for a busy day, we've got you covered. In today's episode, we're focusing on something everyone can relate to: quick and easy recipes made with everyday pantry staples. No need for fancy ingredients or intricate techniques. Delicious meals can come from the ingredients you already have in your pantry, fridge, or freezer. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef looking for something simple yet flavorful, you'll find inspiration here. From pantry to plate, quick recipes with everyday staples. Sometimes the best dishes are made from what's available right in your kitchen. With staples like rice, pasta, beans, tomatoes, and spices, you can create delicious meals in a matter of minutes. These meals are not only quick to prepare, but also incredibly satisfying. They offer a chance to simplify your cooking while still celebrating the essence of global flavors. Today, we'll explore how to turn your basic pantry ingredients into exciting, flavorful dishes inspired by the rich culinary traditions from different countries. Get ready to travel the world from your kitchen with these tasty and simple recipes. 1. Italy. Tomato basil pasta. Ingredients: pasta, spaghetti, penne, or any you have on hand. Canned tomatoes or fresh tomatoes. Garlic, olive oil, fresh basil or dried. Salt and pepper, Parmesan optional. Recipe: pasta al pomodoro. One of Italy's most beloved comfort foods, pasta al pomodoro can be made in a few minutes with only a few basic ingredients. The sweet flavor of tomatoes, the richness of garlic, and the freshness of basil come together to create a simple yet satisfying dish. Step-by-step preparation: cook the pasta, bring a pot of salted water to a boil, then cook your pasta, spaghetti, penne, fusilli, whatever you have, until al dente. Make the sauce while the pasta cooks. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Minced garlic until fragrant, don't let it burn. Add the canned tomatoes, crush them lightly with a spoon, and let the sauce simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Combine and serve. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and toss it with the tomato sauce. Add fresh basil or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for added flavor. Modern twist: add protein or vegetables. For an even heartier meal, add grilled chicken, shrimp, or some spinach or zucchini. Where to try it? Rome, Italy, where pasta al pomodoro is made with the freshest ingredients. Italian restaurants worldwide. This dish is a staple on Italian menus everywhere. 2. Mexico, quick guacamole and chips. Ingredients: ripe avocados, lime juice, tomatoes, onion, cilantro, salt and pepper, tortilla chips. Recipe: guacamole. Guacamole is one of Mexico's most iconic dips, and the best part? You can make it in just a few minutes with ripe avocados and fresh ingredients from your kitchen. Step-by-step preparation: mash the avocados, cut the avocados in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash with a fork until mostly smooth but with some chunks left. Mix in the veggies, finely chopped tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. Then add them to the mashed avocado. Season and serve. Squeeze in lime juice and add salt and pepper to taste. For some spice, add finely chopped jalapenos. Serve with tortilla chips, or use it as a topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. Modern twist: add fruit. For a refreshing twist, add mango or pineapple for a sweet contrast to the creamy avocado. Where to try it? Mexico City, Mexico. Known for its fresh, delicious guacamole served in many restaurants. Mexican restaurants worldwide. A go-to dish at any Mexican-inspired eatery. 3. India. Quick chickpea curry, chana masala. Ingredients: canned chickpeas, onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, canned or fresh. Garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt and pepper, rice optional. Recipe: chana masala. Chana masala is a flavorful Indian curry made from chickpeas, tomatoes, and a blend of spices. It's a quick, one-pot meal that is packed with protein and flavor. This dish is not only vegetarian, but also Step-by-step preparation. The base: heat. Oil in a pot and onion, garlic and ginger, until softened and fragrant. Add spices. Add garam masala, cumin, coriander, and turmeric to the pan. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes to release the spices' flavors. Add tomatoes and chickpeas. Stir in the tomatoes, canned or fresh, and cook for 5 minutes. Add the canned chickpeas, season with salt and pepper, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Serve with rice or naan. Modern twist: add spinach. For a more nutritious meal, stir in some fresh spinach towards the end of cooking to add greens and extra texture. Where to try it? Delhi, India. Famous for its spicy and hearty curries, like chana masala. Indian restaurants worldwide, chana masala is a popular vegetarian curry found on many restaurant menus. For Japan, quick miso soup. Ingredients: miso paste, tofu, firm or silken, seaweed, wakame or nori, soy sauce, scallions, green onions, water or vegetable broth. Recipe: miso soup. Miso soup is a staple in Japanese cuisine, known for its rich, umami-filled broth. You can make it in just a few minutes, using just a few basic ingredients. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare the broth. Heat water or vegetable broth in a pot. Once it's warm, add miso paste and stir until dissolved. Add tofu and seaweed, cut the tofu into cubes and add it to the broth. Stir in wakame seaweed, and let everything simmer for a few minutes. Season. Add a splash of soy sauce for extra flavor. Serve, garnish with sliced scallions, and serve immediately. Modern twist. Add udon noodles. For a more filling soup, add some udon noodles or shiitake mushrooms to make the dish more substantial. Where to try it? Tokyo, Japan, where miso soup is a part of almost every traditional meal. Japanese restaurants worldwide, a classic starter at most Japanese eateries. 5. Greece. Simple Greek salad with lemon dressing. Ingredients: tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, olive oil, lemon juice, oregano. Recipe: Greek salad. Greek salad is fresh, light and healthy, and it only requires a few basic ingredients. With its crunchy vegetables and salty feta cheese, this dish is the perfect way to enjoy the flavors of Greece without much effort. Step-by-step preparation. Chop the vegetables, dice the tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions into bite-sized pieces. Add the olives and cheese, toss in Kalamata olives and large chunks of feta cheese. Make the dressing in a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Pour it over the salad. Serve. Toss gently to combine and serve immediately. Modern twist. Add grilled chicken. For a more complete meal, top with grilled chicken or tofu to increase the protein content. Where to try it? Athens, Greece, where the freshest ingredients are used to create this beloved salad. Greek restaurants worldwide. A popular and refreshing choice on Mediterranean menus. Simple meals, global flavors. There you have it. With just a handful of common pantry ingredients, you can whip up delicious meals that are quick, satisfying, and full of flavor. From spaghetti aglio e olio to Greek salad. These dishes show that you don't need complicated ingredients or hours in the kitchen to enjoy great food. Whether you're craving Italian pasta, Mexican tacos, or Indian curry, you can make a satisfying meal with what you already have on hand. These recipes are perfect for busy days when you need something simple but tasty. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more quick, easy, and delicious meals from around the world.